Mark, thank you. Well, here in Ohio, more than 700,000 people were able to get health care through the Medicaid expansion provided by Obamacare that would get phased out under the Republican plan. NBC4's Ted Hart continues our team coverage tonight with a closer look at the potential impact for us here in Ohio. Ted?
Well, and Elliot was here along West Broad Street today that protesters held what they called a die-in to demonstrate their concern about what they believe are some of the negative consequences of the Republican health care plan.
Health care now! Health care now!
Protesters demonstrated outside the Columbus office of Senator Rob Portman, who has said he would support phasing out the expansion of Medicaid. Critics say the Republican repeal of Obamacare could severely impact the mentally ill and drug addicted, who have been the biggest beneficiaries of Medicaid expansion. Carrie Doseman came to the event because of the potential impact to her family, in particular her son, who's schizophrenic.
He's been sick for 10 years and needs the help. He has no income. And we got on Medicaid just recently for him, and now it looks like he would be one of the people that would lose his coverage.
Republicans say they are working to lower the cost of coverage, roll back the Medicaid expansion, and still provide access to the most vulnerable. But Shane Foster says there's a limit to what taxpayers can pay for.
You seem like you see it daily. You know, people are taking advantage of our health care, our welfare, and all those. And I don't know. That's the part that I don't agree with, I guess.
Sherry Walter is part of a statewide organization that represents county drug, alcohol, and mental health boards.
If we roll that back at a time when Medicaid has been, again, the largest benefit to getting these folks treatment, we're going to see the number of overdoses, not just in Ohio, but across the country. They're going to skyrocket.
And Senator Portman, in a statement, said that if the final legislation is good for Ohio, he will support it. If not, he says he will oppose it. Now, if Republicans stick to that initial timetable that they talked about voting on this legislation as early as next week, he may only have a matter of a few days to decide. Live downtown, Ted Hart, NBC4.